Yes, sir. As always, it's your boy Knockout 360, man, with another video for you guys. I'm in the car. That makes this a car vlog, man. You already know how it's going down. Let's get into it, man. First things first, for each and every last one of my new subscribers, new viewers, new people tuning into the channel for the first time, car content, car shows, car reviews, car meets, anything and everything car related happens on this channel. So if you're into that, you're in the right place. For everyone else, hit that subscription button and that notification bell so that you know what's coming out and when it's coming out, guys. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. So I want to show some love to the Challenger boys, man. The Challenger boys have been sitting patiently for the last year and a half, quietly waiting their turn. You know, no information, no new news has really come out about the Challenger, with the exception of the Super Stock, which was basically just kind of a, you know, let's throw some bigger tires and, you know, some minor upgrades as far as the engine is concerned. But a lot of you guys have been sitting back patiently waiting for some news. For the longest, you guys had pretty much all the news. I think it was like the Demon, then the Red Eye, then the Wide Body Hellcat, then the Wide Body Scat Pack. For like 2.5, 3 years, it was all Challenger. It was all Challenger news. Nothing was coming down the pike for the Charger. No love for the Charger whatsoever, but that has changed. You guys got a huge upgrade, if you ask me, man. I've been a huge fan of these two trims. 2021 Dodge Challenger TA 392, 2021 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Shaker wide body. I said that correctly, right? Wide body. The TA 392 and the Shaker 392 are getting wide. You guys are getting wide. 305s all the way around. Welcome to the club. If you're not familiar, that's the 2021 Dodge Challenger Trans Am 392. That's what the TA stands for you dumb MFs out there that don't know. Trans Am is what that stands for. I ain't gonna lie, I had to look it up myself a while back. But yeah, that's what it stands for, Trans Am. I don't know why it's on heat. Let's get it cool in here, man. Trans Am, basically, realistically speaking, under the hood, everything is the same. Same 6.4 liter V8 Hemi, putting down, if I'm not mistaken, 485 horsepower, 475 pound-feet of torque. Nothing new there whatsoever. That sounds like every other Scat Pack. Well, that's because it is every other Scat Pack, engine and performance-wise. What makes it different is the decals, the outside, the TA. I've always said to myself, if I had to go Challenger, man, I'm getting a little tight over here. Let me open up some room. There we go. There we go. I've always told myself that if I ever bought a Challenger, it would have to be the TA. I love the look of the TA. I love the black matte stripes and stuff like that. I love the stripes and the matte decal look that's on the side, and then of course the TA that gets added into it. Well, they made it even more enticing, guys. They're making everything wide, man. 3.5-inch fender flares all the way around, 305s all the way around, Pirelli P0 all-season tires, which happen to be on yours truly. You know what I'm saying? Horsepower wise, everything is the same. Performance wise, everything is the same. No secret there. The Shaker, for all you guys out there that love the Shaker 392 that has that little shaker engine part or whatever that forces all that cold air into the engine, well, that is getting wide as well. Now, you know anything about the Shaker, it doesn't have any graphics. It's just your typical, they call it a RT Scat Pack Shaker, just because the only difference is that little shaker that's in the middle or whatever you have there. So you know, that's in addition. They're going to be making that wide as well. 305s all the way around, Pirelli P0 all season tires are going to be on that as well, man. I mean, I think it was high time, man. I think that you guys deserve that. The Challenger has a lot of trims that are still active. I mean, the Charger got rid of the SRT 392. We got rid of the Daytona, with the exception of obviously the Hellcat Daytona, which was a special edition. We got rid of a lot of that stuff, and at this point all we have is the SCAT Pack, and then of course, you know, getting into the Hellcat and the Hellcat Red Eye and so forth. So we got rid of all those trims, but the Challenger has stayed true. Honestly, I thought that Dodge had gotten rid of those trims as well, but they brought them back. You know what I'm saying? I'm tripping. They brought them back. The TA 392 is coming back in 2021. The Shaker is coming back in 2021. I love both of those trims, to be quite honest with you, especially that Shaker, man. I love the TA because of the graphics package, which, I mean, as you know, like any graphics package, you can replicate that easily. You know, you go to a decal man and have them put the work in. You know, you can turn your regular SCAT Pack into a TA, however you want to do it. I understand that, I get that. But what I'm talking about is just the look of it, and then that Shaker. I got a homeboy, shout out to my man Toke, that's T-O-A-K. He's a YouTuber as well, videographer, photographer. He's got a Shaker 392 Challenger, and I've seen him rev that thing up, and that thing moves, and it's dope to see it move like that. It's a ode to the old 1970s and 1969 Challengers back in the day. You know what I'm saying? That used to have that Shaker engine that would shake when you move it, man, or when shake when you rev it. I think it's dope, man. Adding a wide body feature to both of those cars was a necessity, man, just to re-excite and reignite, you know, that love for Dodge or whatever, what have you, man. I mean, if you notice anything, Dodge is not trying to reinvent the wheel in no way, shape, form, or fashion. And I say that to say they're not trying to hit you with new electronics. They're not trying to hit you with new technology. They're not trying to hit you with new capabilities, new designs, interior, exterior. They're just adding on bits and pieces that came down literally from the Demon. I think the Demon started it all, and Dodge sat back and said, okay, so let's water down the engine. Let's keep the wide body parts. Let's keep the big 305s or the 315s or whatever the case may be. And let's just kind of sprinkle that all over the other trims, going all the way down to the SCAT Pack. You know what I'm saying? The Red Eye is nothing but a watered down Demon. It's got Demon parts, got the chiller, you know what I'm saying? Got the big 305s, the wide body feature that came originally from the Demon. And then of course that trickled over to the Charger. Now we got the Charger Red Eye coming out. Once again, nothing but a watered down Demon engine. 305s all the way around, 3.5-inch fender flares. And now it's trickling down to the SCAT Pack, and for the Challenger guys, it's trickling down to the TA and the Shaker, which is dope. Don't get me wrong, I'm definitely feeling it. No hate, no shade whatsoever. But at the same time, you got to be realistic and understand that Dodge isn't doing anything new here. They're just kind of spreading the wealth around, which only Dodge can do because Dodge has so many trims, so many packages, so many engine levels that they can do stuff like that and get away with it. Like I told you guys a long time ago that between now and 2022, 2023, you're not going to see any major upgrades to the Charger and Challenger. Everything is just going to be bits and pieces taken from the Demon, taken from the Red Eye, taken from the wide body. Everything is just going to be bits and pieces to kind of keep people interested. Because realistically speaking, they can't come out with the same wide body for the next 2 years and keep people interested and loyal to Dodge, right? Especially for you guys out there that's holding on to your 2015s, your 16s, and your 17s in hopes to upgrade sometime soon. Now with me, this upgrade worked out perfectly because this is exactly what I've been wanting and waiting to upgrade to. But for you guys out there that already had SCAT Packs, it doesn't make sense to go out and pay another $48,000, $45,000, $50,000 just to add a wide body feature. It doesn't make sense for you Hellcat guys to go out and finance a brand new 2020 that's got the same power that yours does just for bigger tires. So you guys have been waiting patiently, anxiously, but waiting nonetheless for something new. And slowly but surely, Dodge is giving us things to keep us excited and interested, but nothing that's going to completely blow our heads out the water. Even the Red Eye Charger, I mean, I knew it was coming. We've been talking about that. You feel me? I've been talking about that for a year and change. You know what I'm saying? Ever since the wide body was announced. So when it came and when it dropped, I mean, I was happy to see it, but it wasn't a surprise. And Dodge didn't even try to, you know, wrap it up in anything brand new. They gave you a wide body SCAT PACK body, right? Wide body Hellcat body, and they just put a big ass engine in it. You feel what I'm saying? And that was all there was to it. And you feel me? Like, they're not even trying to dress it up to make it look pretty, because at the end of the day, you know Dodge like I know Dodge, they're just gonna make big engines. You know what I'm saying? Just more power. More power, same body, sell it for an extra $10,000. And it's gonna sell. And Dodge has the formula for that. They've got loyal customers. I'm one of them. You know what I'm saying? I ain't going nowhere. Let's get into the price, man. So the RT SCAT PACK Shaker 392 wide body is going to start out at $49,000. Let's see here, $49,195. Right? So $49,195, which kind of makes sense because you're paying an extra 6 G's, if I'm not mistaken, for the wide body kit and the big tires, the big rims, what have you. And then you're also getting the shaker, right? The TA 392 wide body, might I add, is going to be starting at $50,885. Right? So that's going to be a flat out 50K. You know what I'm saying? No thrills, no frills, 50K. And you know dealerships like I know dealerships, that's probably gonna start around 55, 56, 52, 53 at the lowest. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna mark it up and they're gonna get some coins, truth be told. But I mean, how do you feel about it, man? I mean, it seems like everything that I just told you is pretty much what Dodge's strategy is. It's just to, you know, take bits and pieces from what's already out there and just start throwing it on, you know, the other cars. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a wide body V6, you know what I'm saying? I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a wide body V6 with the SRT package. I mean, hey, come on now. They did give the SRT package to the V6s. I see V6 Chargers all the time with the SRT package, and I have to look at it twice. I wouldn't be surprised if Dodge was like, hey, listen, we're doing a special edition wide body V6 SRT package edition for 1 year, and I'm sure it would sell. You know what I'm saying? Keep it real. You know that's gonna sell. But they're not reinventing anything. The TA 392 will be just like TA 392s before it. The SCAT PACK Shaker 392 wide body will be just like every other Shaker wide body or Shaker 392 before it. No changes whatsoever, but they're gonna charge you more because you're getting a little bit more, I guess, right? No design changes. I think the front end's gonna look the exact same. That's the only difference between the Charger and the Challenger, is at least Dodge changed up the Charger front end. You know what I'm saying? They gave us the old Durango, no less. I mean, once again, they're just picking unused parts from, you know, other cars, but it still looks a lot better this way if you ask me. But that's it, man. 2021 Dodge Challenger TA 392 wide body. 2021 Dodge Challenger SCAT PACK, excuse me, RT SCAT PACK 392 wide body. It's coming out in 2021. Now, to my understanding, you can go ahead and start pre-ordering the SCAT PACK Shaker wide body right now today. But the TA 392 wide body, you can't start pre-ordering that or putting your order in until later this year. And both of those cars are going to be dropping early 2021. So that's what you guys got something to look forward to, man. Go ahead and put that on a Christmas list for you Challenger guys. Thank you for being so patient, as you know, the Charger has its day. But you know, that's what it is, guys. As always, like, subscribe, comment, talk to your boy. How do you feel about it? How do you feel about my little rant there? Do you think Dodge is actually creating new stuff, or are they just taking bits and pieces off of the Demon and just kind of scattering it around? I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I have to get gas. I got 63 miles until I'm empty, which for a lot of you is a lot, but I don't like running my car that low, so I'm definitely about to get the hell off the highway right now. But as always, it's been your boy Knockout 360, man. Talk to your boy, like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next one. That's a peace.